already written. Friends, see, under the project work, this is a list of all the pages that are made. This is a resolution, also called, we can see the solution explorer, that handles and displays all the folders and the files that are available in the project. Under this project work, we have account folder where these are the files, here is the administration where these are the files, and here is the branches and like that. Okay? These all are the files under this folder. Friends, here are the things that how the code are created. Friends, now see how we insert the data. First of all, you need to understand the connection that has already been discussed. If you have no any idea, please see our another videos that I have already discussed very well. Friends, under the insertion, this is the code that we are using. We could go to all this folder, this file, okay, under the administration this. If I double click this, so it will show me the page how it looks like a design. So friends, I see that here is the page which displays us the complete data format, or you can say the design format. Actually, this is design format of the page that is showing you how we have used all the levels, text boxes, date type that boxes, and different types of other buttons. Okay, so we can work on them very easily one by one. Friends, let's see. There are some different and a bit difficult things that maybe somebody could not easily understand in the first time. First time it looks a bit different and difficult. Okay, so as the things I have already defined you level and the using of text boxes, you know very well. Yeah, if you want to hide some text boxes, you don't want to show in your program, when you execute the program, you don't want to show any text boxes. So what you have to do, you have to right click on this and you get the property. As you click on property, that time you could go to this list, and here is visible equal to true. You have to make it hide, or if you don't want, suppose you don't want this to see the roll number, as I have hidden the ID. Okay, this I don't want to see the ID. So what I can do is I will click here on visible or hide. Okay, or I mean say visible dot visible. If I make it false, that will not be shown. But I'll define these all things to you later, because now at this time I'm defining you the thing insertion deletion line. Okay, so friends, see, there is a button which is used here as submit. This button is to insert all the data whatsoever we have filled here. Like we have filled here the student roll number, name of student, father's name, grade, course name, date of birth. Here is the center code, that is students study center. Okay, what's the center, and branch code. Okay, these all like issued certificate issued ID. Okay, and certificate available. This should not be ID, it should be issued. Okay, the spelling mistake there may be, so it should be issued. Okay, if issued, that will be checked, or if not issued, that will be not checked. Okay friends, now see how we insert it. I double click it, so I'll go to the code that you already know, because I have defined these all things very well. So friends, see here how we insert the data. You see the space, and here is your cursor from which the program will be executing started. Okay, so first we have used the try function that I have already told you that try catch function is used to to handle the problem that mostly happens while you are running any code, so it will retry that until the error is handled. So it will try you until the program is out. It will repeat the process. Okay. So friends, see here. Here is a string query. This is the variable that will hold all the strings whatsoever in this line. So how we type the code for insertion is insert into, and here this is the name of table. Okay, table name is all students. Okay, this is the table, and here is starting the name of all the fields in the table. But here, as I show you, is the number of fields are still here. Okay, because insertion will first declare how many columns are available in the table. So this much, these all are the columns available in the table. Okay, now for that we can read them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 fields which we have to fill. Okay, and after values one by one as a sequence, there is given the same sequence, we shall type these names. So what are them? That I have already discussed in the login page. If you have any doubt here, please check out the login page. I have given all the steps how these are used. Okay, so this text box is showing the roll number, it is showing the name, it is showing the father's name, it is showing the trade. So several, these all fields are used that you already know. There's no doubt. If you have doubt, please ask me again on the comment. And friends, see here how this is used. This is here month, date and year. Okay, suppose if you are using any date text box, so how will you use this? This is used like that. This first you have to use it here, and you have to give a format. Click on property, and there as in the custom format, because it will not be written there, that you have to type it. Okay, because this will not be there. So you want custom, so the format will look like that as you wish, because mostly it is showing the American time style. You can show it in Indian time style. So date, month and year. Okay, now this is the style, and the name of the table is here. It is DT, time picker, date time picker and DT. Okay, so this will be used here in the code. As you see, here it is date time picker, D join, date joining and DB, date of birth. Okay, so how use this function in here? How can use this text box on the program, on the insertion? This dot date picker db, this is the name of text box that is used, and dot value, this is additional as we have the text box, we are typing dxt, the crs, this is the name of text box. Dot text means dot text will display the text for the database. Okay, the same thing here. Value means this is the name of that date format. Now the value dot to string, this is the method that you are inputting to the database. Is month, then date and then year. Okay, so this you have to type. So it will put the value according to the requirement of the table. Okay, friends. Now same thing is with the date of joining. Okay, so these steps are very important. Now another thing is very important is, first of all, you have used some columns. Last column we have used is, that is you are using, this is branch code. Okay, branch code dot text. It means under the table that whatever the fields are there in the table are here. Okay, these all tables are there, and I can show you also from here. This is a server from which we can see that this is the MD, that MDF is the table name, I will have to refresh it and show you how these all the data are available. Okay. So if I click on this, so I see the table list, and if I click on tables, so I will see all the tables whatsoever there are. Okay. So here is the all students table that I can show you the data whatsoever there are available. I can check out all the fields, and then you can see there how these all fields are designed. So friends, this is the way how we try to work on the SQL as well as the Visual Studio, because Visual Studio is the design based application language. Okay, you can easily first manipulate the design, then you can start coding behind it. Even this is the method that holds the database from SQL. Friends, now see this is a list of records, a lot of records are there filled, and at top that is the fields are, and you could see there are several fields, but the center name and center code is there. Okay, so center name and center code that you could see also in your project. Okay, that is center name and center code. It is here center name and center code. Okay, center code. So for center name and center code, after they joining these two fields, the same thing here is these two fields after the data joining. Okay, so number one field and number two field, but after that it is broken, means that is this is called break in the language. It's called in C# is break. Okay, so this break means the line broken, but other fields are remaining. As you know that there are two fields are remaining, last two fields are remaining. You see here. Okay, these are two fields. One is this certificate taken and certificate available. So these two fields are put here down. If certificate issued like this, whatsoever you want the name, you can put the name. Dot check is equal to true. If there is true, okay, we have used true. So it will say the query. That query is here. Okay, this query means this whole line. This line is equal means new definition is the query we are defining as this query. Okay, this query is here. Okay, this query plus 1 means on this query 1 will be added more, and else this query plus 0. So next will be 0, and now query is equal to query plus comma. Okay, after that putting it will put a comma. Again, if another check certificate available dot check, this is next column. Okay, the first one column is this one, as I have shown you here. This is taken certificate, this is available certificate. Okay, so if certificate available dot check equal to true, then use 1, otherwise 0, and add bracket. This is final and bracket. So within the object dot insert query, this is already defined in the previous connection file and even login file. Okay, you could check out this all how directly insert is used here, because it's not possible directly, but you have to code it in the connection file that I have already defined. And as it will finish, then this will return that submitted data. Okay, so friends, this all about from here to here. This is insertion code. You can check out. If you have any doubt on this, please tell me on the comment. I will define again if any doubt there is. Now friends, I have to define you next. That one is I have to define a update. Okay, how to update the data. Double click on the update. Now see the same code, same fields we have to update. Okay, so how we say update, and this is the table name, update table, set roll number equal to text box. It means whatever the date is put on the text box, okay, this text box will be visualized here, and this will add to updation of database. Okay, now this is name equal to text box and f name. These are the red colors are the name of the field. Okay, these are in table. If you go to table, So you will see these are all names right here. You could see. See that roll number, name, F name. So these all fields are in red color. Okay, red color. But the text or text like text file or whatsoever we can put the name is here. So now these all are good. Okay, so that's so easy. You can really understand that we have to put both things together. First, the name is equal to text box or text, and again next one is further name equal to here is we have further name equal to text box or text, and trade name equal to like this. Okay, so these are all the fields you have to type here, and again after ending you have the same branch code but not other fields. So other fields as if it is here. Okay, you have to use if certificate issue dot check true. So say that query, it means this string we have put here, this query. Okay, this query equal to, again we are defining again this value and putting this query on that. So query equal to query plus means this query plus this plus, or if that is not checked, so say 0. Again query plus this query, the query we have been put here as this defined, this will be added again here. Okay, and plus comma will be put. And the next comma, after putting this comma, the last one is the if certificate available dot check, then it will check query equal to query plus this. It means the previous query defined will be used here and plus the next will be available dot equal to 1. Okay, or if there is not checked, we will say 0. But these values will be here. For example, you could see on this table, and these are false, true, false. The true is that only where there is, where you are putting 1, and where you are putting 0, that is false. Okay, these are false, means zeros. Because friends, you must know that these data are logically used, and if false, then the mean of the false is equal to 0 and true equal to 1. Okay, that's why that's putting like that. Now, so what's the difference there is? In insertion you only need to type these all things and use object form, but here you have to add this line move. Why? Because updation is not possible until you declare where. Okay, where means you are going to update all the records, all the columns of the particular row. And what is the row? Row is this. Which row? Row number. The row number, where the row number is this. This should be unique. Okay, it should not be copied and duplicated. If it is duplicated, so it cannot run. So that should be unique. So a unique field will be put and check the query, and then connection will file. So this is the method how you can update the data. Okay friends, I hope you understand how to do this. And this is the updation query you can use. If you are in doubt, please you can ask again and discuss on this matter. So the next one is we have that most of you are using is delete. Okay, so how the data can be deleted? Let us see here on this button. We can delete. Double click. Listen is the same method that we are using try cat method. Try will start and again process until this function can run or until the time is not out. Till then this process will be repeat and repeat. So friends, here is this is a small code. Delete from all students where roll number is this text. Okay, whatever the roll number is on this text box, delete the all columns of particular record. So all the records will be deleted. Okay, and hit object com. This is the shortest method. Friends, I have already discussed with that why I use this code. This code is very important. Please check this code about. I have defined very well in the previous class, that is in a login table. Okay, login, the micro study of project work in login. You can see this page, you can watch this video, you will understand everything very well. So friends, now very shortly I define you how this page, after clicking you will see a panel. This is panel, okay? I have already defined, I will tell about it. So this is a panel, okay? This panel, if I move this panel a bit down, so you will see yellow panel there in that side, okay? I even can undo it, and I could tell you that as you double click, right click here, if you right click here and say send back, so you will see another panel, okay? This is called panel. So friends, how this panel is used? You have to go to text box and use here panel and this panel, okay? As you get it on your field, you can see it, okay? So all the text boxes can be arranged here. You can put any text like button, so you can use button on your panel, okay friends? So this is the method how we can use. So I have used two panels here, so they can be handled well. For that you have to code like this. Panel dot visible equal to true. Okay, if this will be in the first time when you open, first panel 2 will be visible and the data will be displayed on that, like from selection date. So friends, how the grid view is important, I say defining this is very important how you see this grid view, okay? So this is grid view, how the data is written. First of all, you are selecting, these are 2-3 lines are only selecting data and confirming these selections. So what happens here, you write string query, okay? Query you're using is equal to select all records, this means all records from all students. From all students, it will select all records, and ds equal to new data set. ds is defined as data set is equal to new data set, means new imaginary table set, and that will is equal to means this imaginary data will be filled by the connection select query. And what is this select query? You know, I have already defined it very well in the login video. That is Visual Studio MicroStudy login form. You can see everything I have defined about this. So this is very unique code. Okay. So this is so easy that how you make true a panel and then you select it and it will be making imaginary table data set and it will be selected. Now the next one is very important, is Gridview, okay? If you go to this form and you click on this and you click Gridview, so this is Gridview. Now you will drag it here, so it will be dragged, okay? Now it will be ultimately named its name. So here is the name of this Gridview is given as Gridview 2 because Gridview 1 already we have used, and so that we see here is you can use that Gridview. How? Suppose you have a Gridview here, not suppose, exactly I have a Gridview here, so it is a Gridview, okay? Its name is Gridview 1. You see here the name is below Gridview, this one Gridview 1. So how we use this? This we use is here it is Gridview dot 1 dot data source is equal to this ds dot data, okay? Means all the data which was imagined and used with the SQL data that will put on the grid view. And now you will see that, okay? So how it is? Let us see. I can click DNS and click. So click on this button and it will run and give the message. It is running and giving you a message. So this is the button, as all the records of the students we see by this button, okay, because it displays all the records. So we could see here the list of students. So that grid view was displaying all the records like this. Here we can see all the fields like taken certificate as well as these are fields. So we don't need to worry about these. All things are very well displayed, and we can see this insertion, deletion and request. Okay, so that's the finish. Now we could see the new record how it's here. Okay, so if you want, so you can go here, want the new records, so you have to fill all these fields, whatsoever you want field, and if you have to change the dates accordingly, whatsoever you want with. Okay, these all fields are there, you could fill them, and finally you can check them if you want, then submit. And you know that this is name, roll number of student is suppose 77777. So this big record, and as is submitted, so this record will be submitted. If you want to visualize this record, so we have to go to display page, and as we display this record, so we can see at the end of the table. So this is available here. That here now this will name last record, but it looks not like that. How is it possible? Let us see. After putting the value, 7 roll number, so this is roll number 7. Okay, it is here. Now you can see everything is fine. All the records, every line is very quite good. So we should not be worried about that. And that's all about. Okay, thank you so much. So please watch all these videos. You will see in there. Please subscribe this video if you like more. If not, please you can see it. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.